How do you feel about a big move in the price of gold, in the price of silver, if what Elon Musk has recently been talking about comes to pass in 2023? That could very likely be the case. And hey, we'd like that, right? We want to take the blindfold off the bear when gold gets to $2,500. And you may or may not like Elon Musk. I'm no huge fan myself, but I do respect the fact that he's, number one, a very smart guy, and number two, a guy who has innovated many sectors of the economy. So I'm going to listen to what he says, and it's some startling information. Let's dig in right now. Elon said something that will make you squirm in your seat. I want to give you a warning. You'll hear that a little later. I want you to be prepared. But first, he's warning that 2023 will definitely be a recession. He says, prepare for the worst. And we know that already. You're already doing that, right? We're already doing that. Getting out of debt, working on our skills, being emotionally and financially prepared for what could be some very difficult times in the coming 6 to 18 months. He warns against margin debt. Don't buy stocks. Don't buy precious metals. Don't buy anything on debt. Keep your powder dry. He says we're going to have stormy times for the next 12 to 18 months, but things could get better in 2024. Are you hearing that? I seem to be hearing that a lot from the prognosticators out there, that 2024 is when things will get better. Do you think Elon Musk is a secret silver stacker? There's a growing number of people out there that think Elon could be moving into the silver market very soon. He needs a ton of silver for his solar panels, for his electric cars. You know that whole story. And when you hear him talk about the U.S. government, right, printing all the money that they've printed over the last decade, running huge deficits, he talks about how the U.S. government, if they keep that up, will essentially destroy the value of the U.S. dollar. And isn't that what we talk about all the time in the silver and gold community? It really feels like Elon is becoming one of us. And we do know that he did join the Reddit Wall Street silver movement, so there very well could be something to this. We also saw what happened in markets like lithium when he moved into there. That brought a crowd of people, a crowd of attention, and the price skyrocketed. Don't forget, I'm going to make you squirm here in just 1 second, but I hope you don't squirm when I tell you this. I really appreciate you joining me here in the basement right now. You are important. You're the most important part of Ron's Basement. If you enjoy your time here, please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, turn on the ring-a-ling-ding-a-ling bell notifications, and if you want to help support Ron's Basement, check out my other channel, How to Ron. And if you want a piece of merchandise, like a shirt or a hat or whatever, with the bear on it, the blindfolded bear, there's links to all of that in the description below. Now it's time for us to squirm, because then Elon Musk said that recessions are good. They are like economic enemas. They clean the pipes. That during these boom times when the Fed's printing all this money, funny money, unicorn fart dust everywhere, that it's basically raining money on fools, and a reset, a recession, is needed to kind of clean everything out. I don't know how you feel about that, and I am sorry if I made you squirm, but I actually tend to agree with that. Hard times, that helps build the economy. That's what capitalism is. That's how it works. Now, when that happens, the Fed, you know what they'll do. They'll have to loosen up a little bit with their monetary policy, and that will make the dollar go down. That will make the price of gold and silver go up. But there's something else we need to remember, and it's a big but. And I like big buts. I cannot lie. Look, guys, just because it's hard times doesn't mean it has to be bad times, because we can be prepared. Think about the ways you can prepare yourself financially, emotionally, for what could be a rough period for the next year, year and a half, maybe 2 years, right? Keep debt low, keep your skills up, keep up good relationships with friends, family, neighbors. Have dry powder, because if something happens like we had in 2020, right? When silver temporarily for just like 3 or 4 days, like went way the heck down, that could be a great time that you could jump in and make a big purchase. It can happen again, right? We could see a big downdraft in the price of gold and silver, but it would only be very, very temporary. It's almost mathematically impossible that the price of gold and silver could go down really low and stay there. Unless they just want to completely destroy the whole system. And we know they're not going to do that. So be prepared. If an opportunity comes, you do want to have some powder so that you can take action, and think about the other things we've talked about today and in the past that you can do to be prepared. Hey, I'll be here for you through it all. I hope you enjoyed your time today in Ron's Basement. Go check out that merch shop with the Blindfolded Bear. Let me know what you think of the graphic. I hired a graphic artist to make the Blindfolded Bear. You can put it on coffee cups, sweatshirts, anything you want. Don't feel obligated. But I would like to get your feedback on the new Blindfold Bear logo. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.